Hey everyone, the HONOR X6c serves as a clear indication that HONOR continues to regard the ultra-budget smartphone segment with seriousness. Although the brand is linked by a lot of people with premium or mid-range devices, the company keeps on launching models that are very budget-friendly, the X6c being one of them. This phone, which is solidly situated in the under $100 category, aims at users who want a dependable everyday device without paying for features they might never use. As for the design, the X6c adheres to the familiar and practical approach of HONOR. The frame is made of plastic as well, but the overall construction feels robust and well put together. A pleasant surprise is the certified IP64 rating, indicating defense against dust and water splashes. Though it is not entirely waterproof, it can easily withstand rain or unintentional splashes, quite remarkable for a device at this low price. The layout of the buttons and ports is well designed. The combined SIM slot can accommodate either 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card, along with a micro SD card. The power button features a fingerprint scanner that operates swiftly and dependably. The side of the device features volume buttons, as well as an additional programmable button that can be designated for various functions. The display is one of the standout features of the HONOR X6c. It features a 6.61-inch panel with HD resolution, but its standout qualities are the 120 Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of up to 1000 nits. Indeed, the bezels are thick and the bottom chin is noticeable, but this is to be expected in the ultra-budget segment. Audio is produced by one single speaker located at the bottom of the device. Although there is no stereo sound, the volume and clarity are adequate for calls, videos, and casual media consumption. The Helio G81 Ultra processor manages performance. This is a basic budget chipset that supports only 4G, and it operates exactly as expected. Everyday activities like messaging, browsing, social media, and video playback function well, although the phone isn't extremely fast. The HONOR X6c offers 2 memory options: 6 gigs of RAM with either 128 or 256 gigs of internal storage. The phone comes fully certified by Google, supports Google services right from the start, and integrates seamlessly with Google Pay. This is a significant advantage compared to many rivals in this category. A 5,300 mAh battery manages the device's operational longevity, providing a complete day of use without difficulty and lasting up to 2 days under lighter usage conditions. Nonetheless, the true standout feature is the support for 35-watt fast charging. The camera works adequately, though its performance is unremarkable. The camera module on the back is large, but it essentially features one primary 50 megapixels camera and a basic 5 megapixels front-facing camera. In good lighting, the photo quality is decent, with detail and colors that are acceptable for the price. Video recording is restricted to Full HD resolution at 30 frames per second and lacks stabilization. To conclude, the HONOR X6c is a decent and well-balanced ultra-budget smartphone. It does not pretend to be something it is not, but it provides what is most important. It distinguishes itself from other products in its price category with a smooth 120 Hz display, robust battery life, very quick charging, NFC support, durable build quality, and water resistance. This phone is a great option for children, as a secondary device, for work-related tasks, or for anyone seeking an affordable yet dependable smartphone. The HONOR X6c provides remarkable value for less than $100. Thanks for watching. Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.